It made its world debut in Australia on August 28. The new car is positioned as a mid-size, all-electric SUV. The CLTC has a maximum cruising range of up to 740 kilometers. It is also the first mass-production car equipped with ByteDance self-developed Beanbao AI Large Model. According to previous application drawings, the Smart Elf No. 5 was designed by the Mercedes-Benz global design team. It has a rounded overall shape and a distinct cross-border style. Unique appearance package various front and rear frame styles are also available. The four-hole design on the front of the new car is very recognizable, and the headlight shape is also unique. The appearance of the BRABUS performance version uses silver-gray main color and red details to match each other, making it extremely recognizable. The side of the car's body is relatively flat, and the waist is flat. It does not use the exaggerated double-door design of the concept car, but uses the traditional door opening method. The rim style is quite technological, and is also available in various sizes such as 18 inches, 19 inches, 20 inches and 21 inches. The length, width and height dimensions of the new car are 4705/1920/1705 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,900 mm. The rear of the Phantom No. 5 adopts a full-type taillight design, and the rear design elements reflect the front face. In terms of power, the Smart Elf No. 5 will provide multiple power versions of single motor and dual motor. The single motor version has high and low power options with a maximum power of 250 kilowatts and 267 kilowatts respectively. The dual motor version has a maximum power of 165 kilowatts for the front motor and 267 kilowatts for the rear motor, and a maximum power of dual motor. The motors for the BRABUS performance version are 165 kilowatts and 310 kilowatts respectively. In terms of battery life, the Smart Elf No. 5 features two battery packs with 76 kilowatt-hours and 100.01 kilowatt-hour capacities. The CLTC pure electric cruising range is 570 kilometers, 660 kilometers, 670 kilometers, 720 kilometers and 740 kilometers respectively. It was also previously reported that the car will be built on an 800V pure electric high-voltage platform and support 4C ultra-fast charging technology, which can charge the battery from 10% to 80% in just 15 minutes.